It has been over a decade and still South Africa wants answers. Who really killed Senzo Meyiwa, umbuzo usamile? And why hasn't Kelly Khumalo faced the law? Abantu bayabuza. Buckle up because things just got hotter after Adv Teffo's bombshell interview on Podcast and Chill. So let's break it all down today. Hello everybody, my name is Natasha Nyawuz and welcome back to the Natasha Entertainment right here on these YouTube streets on this beautiful Friday afternoon. Your plug for the truth, the tea and the trends everyone's too scared to talk about. So, the SENZO MEYIWA case is back in the spotlight and not by accident. The drama was reignited after our advocate Teffo went on Podcast and Chill and dropped major allegations. I'm talking major allegations that have left Mzansi shooketh to the core. So, according to Advocate Teffo, Senzo's death wasn't a robbery gone wrong. He claims that Senzo was accidentally shot by Kelly Khumalo during a heated altercation involving her, usister wakhe uZandile and uLongwe Twala. Teffo even says that there's also an affidavit from uLongwe himself admitting that he arrived at the house with a gun and a struggle broke out and the fatal shot was fired accidentally. But wait, it doesn't end there. Teffo went further to say that the gun used was a .38 revolver and that there's a link to another strange death in Advocate George Baloyi's family involving the same type of gun. Guys, what's going on? Cover up? You be the judge. Because at this point, I really don't know. And of course, all that drama, Miss Kelly Khumalo didn't keep quiet. You know, Akangatule. She came out and completely denied the allegations in her own saying, Ucho, I quote, I didn't shoot Usenzo. I don't know who did and I'm tired of being dragged into this. But, you know, his statements like only raised more questions. And let's be honest, at this point, we are all divided. Mzansi is divided. A lot of people don't believe Kelly Khumalo, and that's not a secret. They say that she must know who killed Senzo. She must know something because she was in the house. And other people are convinced that even if she didn't pull the trigger, she's protecting someone. Then there's the third group of people who believe Uguti she's an scapegoat, you know, used by the justice system to distract us while the real killers walk free. So, let's look at what's fueling these suspicions. Number one, why do people suspect that she is the one who shot Senzo? Number one is that she was in the house, obviously. 7 adults were present, but no one has given a clear, consistent story. Akumntu oyaziyo ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Imagine ukudutyulwe umuntu nibayi 7 endlini but akunamuntu one story esifana nomnye. Wonke umuntu uthetha istory sakhe and no one saw anything. Hayibo. Akho umuntu obone niksi. All 7 people. You know, there are conflicting versions. Who had the gun? Was it a robbery? Was it a setup? Was it an assassination? What was going on? And also Teffo claims there's a signed warrant of arrest for Kelly Khumalo from 2020 that was never executed. Why? You know? I want to buy a boozer why. And also Kelly Khumalo, it says that Kelly Khumalo refuses to testify in court. People are asking, if you are innocent, why not speak under oath? If you are innocent, as you say you are, why don't you speak under oath? So it is said now, the Pretoria High Court is trying 5 men accused of being hitmen or being hired hitmen. But here's the plot twist. The gun they're talking about in court is a 9mm, not a .38 revolver Teffo keeps referring to. So we have 2 versions of events and still no justice for Senzo Meyiwa. So now the big question is Kelly Khumalo guilty or just guilty of knowing too much? And until everyone in that house is properly cross-examined and the real forensic evidence lines up with real testimony, the truth remains buried. But one thing's for sure, the people of South Africa are not buying the silence anymore. So guys, what do you think really happened to Senzo Meyiwa? Please do drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. No filters, no fear. I would love to hear from you. And also don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we are not done uncovering the truth. This is Natasha Entertainment, where the drama is real and the stories hit harder than primetime headlines. Until we meet again on the next video upload. Bye for now.